No. Let's go. Right, well, turns out that the 20 minutes of filming that I just did, with commentary, I did without a mic because the bloody thing wasn't switched on. So, that's fantastic. So, I'm just going to go back the same way that I've came. Heading for home. This was just a little run after work, as it's such a nice day, or a nice evening. The boys are down now early, so that hopefully the sound is better. So I can't remember what I was talking about before, but it was probably a load of garbage. But I'm going to talk the same load of garbage this time, because I know that the mic is on this time. So, talking about, I hope that you're all doing great. You're all well, and you're all getting out on your bikes. Let's face it, the winter's long enough in this country, so you need to use the time wisely. Get out on your bike if the weather is like this. It's lovely. So I'm going to try and keep the speed below 60, because above 60, hey, you're breaking the law, said Mr. Halford. If you know, you know. And B, the wind noise is ridiculous. Anyway, I don't know if I can capture it, but across there, that is Slains Castle, or the ruins, the remains of Slains Castle, which famously is the inspiration for Bram Stoker's Dracula. Apparently he stayed there for a bit, sometime in the 1800s, and gave him inspiration to write a story about a vampire called Dracula. So there we have it. It's a nice, it's not a nice place, it's a very dangerous place because it's right on the cliff edge, and yeah, not any fencing around it. There have been some tragedies there, so if you are going to visit it, be very careful. It's worth a visit. Right. So it's very lovely that you're visiting our country, but it's just a little bit too slow. Yeah. We're right on the coast here, so even though the sun is shining, it's still quite early in the evening. Can't feel the temperature just dropping ever so slightly. And here we are with some fantastic three-way traffic lights. So that's great. Fantastic.